So what's up, YouTubers? Now I'm here with the lovely, the beautiful Miss JC Lodge. She's here at Rebel Salute 2018. How does it feel?
It feels very exciting. I can't wait to get on. I've been waiting a while.
What is it like to know that you're back in Jamaica and the Jamaican people just still love you? There's just so much support and people still remember and cherish your songs.
It's so warming. I mean, we went to the shopping centre in Halfway Tree. We were trying to just pick up something, and a few people came to their doors, opened the doors, and said, "Welcome home, JC." It was just so touching.
Yeah, I don't want to, say anything about the age, but I remember at some point when I was growing up, I remember to sing this song, Someone Loves You, Honey, and it was just so soothing. You used to, other songs, but then your voice, the melody was just so soothing, and it just still remains the same to this day. Like, how are you able to preserve your voice?
It's difficult, especially when I teach, because sometimes when I'm teaching a class of 30 children and they get rowdy, there's nothing else you can do but raise your voice. Yeah. So it's a little bit of a strain, but I do try to look after my throat. I drink a lot and keep it warm. No, I'm not keeping it warm at the moment, but I usually do keep it warm. I don't like air conditioning. I try to avoid it if possible, and I do look after it.
So do you keep up with the reggae scene, the dancehall scene now, in terms of seeing like who are the new songbirds that are representing for reggae music? And if so, who would you say are some of your favorites, or people that you somewhat like or admire their music?
Well, at the moment, I'm really tuned into Etana and Queen Ifrica. I think they're doing wonderful stuff. Yeah. And Chronics. Wow.
Yes, Chronics definitely. I wish Chronics was here today. Yeah.
Yes, really.
What would you like to just tell people to look forward to? Are there any new projects, any new appearances for the rest of 2018?
Yes, I'm hoping to come a little bit more forward. I had to take a sideways step while I was preparing to become a teacher. Yeah. But the reason I've done that, is so that I can have something to fall back on, because I really want to pursue music. So I'll be having an agent, and a new album will be coming out. There's a new single called Destiny, which I'll be touching a little bit this evening. So listen out.
Awesome. Last question. What is one of the most interesting or most embarrassing, the weirdest fan moment? A moment that some fan has just done something weird, or there's something that was just out of the blue?
Once, years ago, we were in America. I'm trying to remember. I think it was on the West Coast. And a fan came up after I had sung, and he said to me, "I know who you are. You're Jesus Christ." What? JC, Jesus Christ. Okay, not really.
Well, that is it. Thank you so much, JC Lodge, for talking to me. I'm Dutty Berry, and I'm going to check out your performance. I'm going to be in the front row screaming, so just look out for me. Okay. All right? And if you ever want somebody like a bass, like Someone Loves You, Honey, like I'll be there.
Okay.
Yeah, look out for it. And lastly, my tagline is box cover. So I think that would be interesting to hear you say it. So usually, I did videos talking about testing and all of these things. So I talk about celebrities and social media commentary. So I have this thing where I say box cover. Yeah. So that's my slogan. So I'd like for you to try, attempt it. Okay. It has to come with a lot of passion, from here. You're a singer, so you have to, this is diaphragm or somewhere like that. So I want you to give me your best box cover.
Okay. Box cover.
Oh, that was good. All right, thank you very much.